In this class, we are going to learn how to build a OCI function which can detect or read the barcode which is available within the PDF file. For demonstration purpose, I am considering this PDF file wherein I am having some dummy barcodes within the PDF file. Like here, for example, in the page 1, I am having the barcode along with the text. If I scroll down, I am having one more barcode which is not having the text over here. Without the text, a simple barcode I am having in the page 2. I will scroll down and I will go to page 3. Again, I am having a different kind of barcode with the text. So there is the alternate pages having the barcode with and without text. Now we will see how we can read those barcode. Not only read, our OCI function will confirm first whether the PDF file is having a barcode. If the barcode is available, then it will extract the text. Also, it will tell the page number as well, in which page the barcode is there, and also it is going to extract the text. So we will see how we can do the same in this class. I'm here in the Oracle Cloud Console and this is my functions application. Let me go to the functions tab. So this is the function which I have created which can read or detect the barcode available in the PDF file. So nothing to worry, I will go through the code step by step and I will explain line by line each and every aspect which we need to consider while developing such kind of OCI function which is meant to detect and read the content of PDF file and also update whether the barcode is available in the file and also extract the text. Now this is a very simple OCI function I have created which is making use of bare minimum memory and also the timeout you can adjust as per the convenience. Coming to the provision concurrency, if you want you can set it. Also you can schedule this function and also you can set up the monitoring and also you can add few configuration parameters if you want to inject some data at the runtime. So this is on the overall picture of my OCI function, how it looks like. So before I walk you through the code, I will have a quick demo on this use case using the Postman. I have already created this Postman project, just the URL I am giving it over here. My OCI function is not expecting any request in the body, but in your case, you might be required to send the file name or the file path from which location the code has to take the file, like from the object storage or FTP location, so and so forth. In my case, I am getting the file from the object storage and I have hard-coded the value, that is the bucket name and the object name. I will walk you through shortly when I go through the code. But in your case, you can pass this at runtime in the body, that is in the request. So I'm going to read the content of the same PDF file wherein I'm having 3 pages in the PDF file. Each page is having a barcode that is with number and without the number. Now let me click on this send button. So this is going to invoke or trigger our OCI function, which will then pull the PDF file from the object storage and it will return us this data. First and the foremost thing is it will tell whether the barcode is present in the file or not. It is telling barcode is present as true. Next, it will highlight all the barcodes available in the file. Like in page 1, page 2, page 3, it will also extract the text. Like for example, here we can see the text over here, but in the page 2, the text is hidden, but it will be readable by the machine or the computer. So the highlighted text over here is extracted by our OCI function and also the format using which our barcode has been generated, that is code 39. It is written over here and the input file. So you can customize the response of the OCI function as per your project requirement. So this is how my OCI function will respond after reading the content of PDF file. Now let's have a quick walkthrough on the OCI functions code. So this is my OCI functions code YAML file. If you see that this is the schema version number and this is the same function which I have shown you over here, that is fn PDF barcode reader 1. So this is the function's name I have put in the YAML file. Coming to the versioning you can control based on how many iterations or Docker images you have pushed to the registry. Next, coming to the runtime, I have made use of Python programming language, but you can make use of any programming language which is supported by OCI as well as you have the expertise. Coming to the build and run image, we are making use of 3.12, same Python version which is the latest at the time of recording this class. Coming to the entry point, I'm saying all the requests which are coming to the OCI function must be routed to this handler method which is available in this func.py file. And this is the FDK it has to use. Coming to the memory, 256 have written over here. If you want, you can change it. Next, coming to the main file, that is the func.py. As we have mentioned, all the traffic in our functions code has to be routed to the handler. So this is my main handler method. Suppose if you want to split the logic across multiple methods, multiple files, that also you can do. Now this demonstration is just to show the capability of OCI function, like how it can read the content of PDF file. This class will not highlight the best practices for coding. So best practices for coding, you have to look for your project documentation or any other developer sites. Next, coming to the body, as I told in the demo, I'm not sending any body to this function. Rather, if you want to send the bucket and the file name, that you can provide it over here in the request body. In my case, I have hard coded. Suppose if you're sending in the request as a JSON, then you can use this body.get and the bucket name will be your JSON object key and the value will be extracted and put in this variables. So these are the two variables I have created. So before I go ahead, I will show you where I have placed the file in the object storage. I have created the bucket in the storage. Next, in this bucket, I have uploaded this file.pdf. So this is the same file which I have shown over here, which contains 3 pages and the barcodes within them. Now this is the same I have hard coded over here. So I'm saying my bucket name is my bucket and the object name or the file name is file.pdf. Next, this piece of code is required if your object name is coming from the request and if you're not populating or directly hitting on the send button without populating object name in the request, then it will check whether the object name is available in the request. If not, it will tell request not found or the object file you have not passed, you please retrigger. Suppose if the object name, bucket name, both the things are valid. Next, I'm trying to generate the principal signer, which is required to make use of the object storage SDK in order to talk to our OCI resource, that is object storage. And we are downloading the object using the getObject method using this object storage. So I'm passing the namespace, bucket name and the object name. Once it has downloaded the PDF file or the object, it will be under the response object, that the content I'm getting and putting in the PDF content. Next, what I'm doing is I'm saving this PDF content into the temporary directory that is in the OCI function at runtime, so that we can iterate over the pages over here one by one, and we are making use of one of the libraries, that is the PyPDF IUM2. So this is the library I'm making use, and I'm using the lowest memory possible, that is scaled 4.0. Suppose if you are using some low resolution PDF images for barcode, then this will be detected. And also I'm going up grayscale so that you don't have to have a high definition barcode image as well. So this will be able to detect. So PDF is basically converting into the images. So we cannot directly scan the PDF for barcode. So we are converting the PDF file into the images using this temporary directory one by one, iterating over the pages, converting to the image and reading if that image is having the barcode. If barcode is there, then I'm creating the array. What you are seeing over here, that is the array. I'm just creating one by one the object and pushing into that. Suppose if any page is not having the barcode, then I'm just skipping that using this continue, and at the end we are closing the PDF file which we have opened for reading, that is for iterating. So once we have read all the pages in the PDF file, that is by converting to images, we have constructed the response, that is in this structure wherein we are populating the page number where the barcode is found within the PDF file, the text and the format. So in case of no exception, we are sending the response as is. In case of exception, we are trying to capture what is the exception we have received at runtime and communicating the same to the consumer. So this is how, using simple steps, we can build the OCI function which can read the barcode available in the PDF file. It can confirm whether barcode is present or not, and also it can extract the text from the barcode and show to the user in the response. Now this scenario will be very useful as we do not have at the time of recording this class any feature in OCI that is under analytics and AI, wherein you can directly upload the PDF file to OCI and tell whether the barcode is present or extract the information. So we can make use of this concept until Oracle comes up with the feature in OCI natively, wherein we just upload the PDF file and it will tell that there is a barcode and extract the barcode information. Similarly, you can develop the use case for QR code, wherein you upload the PDF file and it will extract all the information related to the QR. It can confirm the QR is present and it can extract the content of the QR code.